Hello, crew. We're back once again. I know that everyone liked the arrow challenge. Well, I'm back here to perform it once again. So I'm going to see if I can take one ball going through 6 arrows, and let's see, changing our speed and hand position, if we can make them all strike from a bunch of different parts of the lane.
And I wanted a rematch.
Oh, you're back?
Yeah, I'm back. And I'm going to actually hit the first arrow this time. And we got Specto to prove it.
Specto will back it up. We will see that. Last time, the first arrow was a big challenge for him, so we're going to have to check this one out. Come on back into play, and we'll see how we make out here. So who's going to start? I'll even let you start.
Okay. So, since the first arrow was the big one in question in the last one, and since you guys love this so much, we're going to do it again, and we've got Specto to back it up this time.
We decided that we would give you a board leeway, left or right.
You know, the first arrow is going to be a little hard for me to get off of. Sixth arrow is going to be a little bit harder for him, but hopefully I get off the first arrow, off to a good start. If I get off of it on this first shot, that'd be a miracle.
Will you stop yakking and start cracking?
Okay, fine, whatever. Was it in? It was in!
Are you counting that?
It was in! Yeah! We got it!
That is not right. It wasn't even in the pocket.
All the rules said was we had to strike. That's all they said.
You know, that is so not fair. So not fair. Get out of here. Giving you knuckles on that one.
It's okay, don't worry. You're still a little salty because I'm going to the second arrow.
4.5. I was even closer to my target than he was. He goes through the nose, gets a strike, and I got a solid 9. Something wrong. Second arrow?
Yep. Was that in too?
He's in. But it says good.
Look at that. Oh, that sucks. It's not in.
What are you talking about?
I gotcha. Gotcha. Take a shot though.
4.3.
I was joking.
You actually thought, you know what? You got 2 strikes, one of which really wasn't a strike, but I got to give it to you.
They all went down, and
They
Specto
did.
said, I hit the first arrow. So for all of those, all you people in the comments that say I didn't hit the first arrow, I hit it this time. Just saying.
Lucky.
They can't tell me I didn't hit it.
You're right.
They can tell me I didn't strike.
Let's get up and shoot the third arrow.
All right. Oh, that's not third arrow.
That is outside of the range.
It is strike though, so I don't have to move, so that's cool.
That looked like it was a pinch left.
It was.
At least I was honest.
That is true. I was honest too. I knew it was right. I knew my first one was right.
Strike's no good. Got to hit the arrow or get really close to it. That looked like you laced it.
Did I?
Oh, yeah.
15.0, right on the spot. Look at that.
A little closer, but I don't know if it's enough yet. I said a little closer, but not enough yet. So, at least I know my eyesight isn't failing me. 8.6 last time, 8.8 that time. Still not within the one board of margin, left or right.
You know, I will tell you, I feel like in the last time that we did this, he had a little bit of handicap, so it took me forever to get off the first arrow. And I've struck 4 times and hit the arrows that I was supposed to, 3 of them. And I'm already on the 4th arrow. Good luck.
It's not over yet.
I know. I do feel like, though, that you can hit your target a little bit better than I can. I just got to get lucky that my ball, you know, actually hits it. Because going through the pins, you know. Might have laced that one, too.
God, I think this guy's done a little practice. Maybe I didn't see it. That's over 10. It's over 10, but it got 9.
Oh, I was more worried about you hitting your target than Going
Got to my
there?
target. Problem is I didn't strike. So now I'm still on the second arrow. And where are you going to?
This is going to be 5 now.
Oh boy. A little bit in the rear's right at the present moment.
Should I throw a little slower
Okay.
too this one?
You throw it any way you want to throw it. I just don't want to hear any excuses.
Okay.
No. Yeah, go check it. Hey, why don't you just look and see where your target was?
Woo! Was it not in?
Was it supposed to be 25? Oh. Oh.
Oh!
26.1. Serves you right.
Got a little too amped up on that one. Yep, a little too excited.
This is so not right. This game is fixed.
If it makes you feel any
Fixed.
better, you weren't in the target.
Oh, I was 1/10 out. That's all right. Solid 9, over the top, solid 10. Yep. Captain. Lucky right now.
That one was a little bit closer.
Was it within the margin of error? Hey, and they gave me one.
Look at that. And you're in the range too. You know, by the way, your last like 3 or 4 have been like 8.8, 9.0, 8.9, 9.0.
Yeah.
Pretty good at hitting your target.
Yeah. I got that much narrowed down.
Yeah.
There's one problem though. You're at 6th arrow and I'm only at the 3rd arrow.
That
I
is
think
true.
that's a 3-shot lead last I checked.
Yeah. This might be 7 in a row, 8 in a row.
Let's not push it.
Okay. All right. I won't. By the way, for the win. Don't know if that hit it.
Oh, you hit it.
Oh, I did? Oh, I did too.
You didn't strike, but you hit it.
Man, just knock that speed a little bit down, turn that dial. You might be cooking with gas. You're in the range?
In the range, but not even close to the pocket. It's all right. We'll make a move.
Oh, God.
How do you throw the 6th arrow and throw it in the right gutter? What am I missing?
You know, I did do that. I did that last time, too.
Oh, for God's sake.
I had one shot at the 6th arrow to strike to tie you, and I threw it in the gutter. Right in the crib.
Whoops.
Still hit it?
Still inside.
Yep.
We're closer. Problem is, though, that's free shots I'm getting right now.
You know, this guy is pretty good, and I think I'd better take advantage of the fact that I threw the first 7 and 5 of them hit the first 5 targets and make some good passes here. Well, I got the opportunity to put them away early and have bragging rights for life until we do this for a 3rd time. That didn't hit it either. That definitely didn't hit it.
That was terrible.
That was pretty bad.
Yo! Please tell me that was close.
That was pretty close. That was in. Oh, that was a good celebration. Okay.
Move it on up. 4th arrow and you're at 6th. Waiting for me. Still right at target.
Really? Maybe a little bit.
Hit it! That was like right there, too.
Would have been scary for me.
That is over the target.
That would have been scary for me.
19.5. I knew that was right there. Just a little too much. It's all right. We'll square up, soften the speed up a little bit. We're there. That was within the margin of error.
Was hitting the target. He is catching up.
Am I catching you?
Oh, yeah. Shot.
Oh, yeah. 5th arrow coming up.
Of all the arrows I thought was going to take me the longest to strike, if you would have told me it would have been the last one, I would have laughed at you.
That was right. I'm at the 5th arrow now.
You know, we're gonna have to figure out how to put our thinking caps on and figure out if we can get our ball to do the right
Oh,
thing.
Jesus.
I hope he keeps making shots like that from in there. That'd be nice.
Oh, my God. Can't even get a read off of a shot like that. That was horrible.
I still am 1 strike away from winning this. Gotta put them away while we can.
Just camp out a little bit longer.
Might be close. We're getting there. Typically, there's a massive hook spot to the right to throw it to. And because, you know, only thrown a handful of shots, that isn't quite there. And I'm really glad that one didn't strike 2.
I know that was a good pass. Just week 7. Right there within the margin of error, too.
Oh my goodness.
Well, you know what? Make a good pass here. Even ball game. Both at the 6th arrow. Difference is you have somewhat of an idea. Close.
Oh!
Oh, and that was right there too.
How it was.
6th arrow, huh?
You know, that was honestly the first one that I felt like was actually close. He does have life, and he is now also 1 strike away from beating me again. Could be watching death.
Oh,
It's okay. That's
too fast and a little far left. That was within the margin.
Ay caramba. Only a 2nd shot in there, and and thankfully it's not.
Hit the same thing I did last time.
That it was true.
27-2, and then I hit 27.
Any tips here?
Yeah, you're trying to overdo it instead of just settling down and just making a nice pass at it. You don't need to loft it. Just need to make a pass.
Well, I feel like I'm that deep that I have to. Unless you're telling me that I'm sliding.
If you make an aggressive pass at it, you got plenty of ball. Your ball will shake.
Okay.
Smidge of loft, not excessive.
Oh, maybe. By the way, that's dead on. It may have taken me 27 shots, but that one was dead on.
It may have taken me out of the game, but I got one more.
He's in the same spot that I was. This is 3rd shot at the 6th arrow, and it's strike or go home.
Got that one over my target for a change.
That was much closer to your target.
Looks like I'm gonna go down in defeat on this one. Defeat, maybe because I helped my opponent. That's okay. It's a learning experience, and it's something that every bowler should have. So when you do the arrow challenge, good luck to you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You think it made a difference by you just making a pass the last shot?
Yeah.
When you settled down and made a good quality pass on that last shot, it did everything it needed to do
Yeah.
and went dead straight through the pocket, knocked over 10 pins convincingly.
It's amazing what happens when you just make a good pass.
Maybe just listen.
Or that too. Listen
Okay.
to Dad. He knows a thing or two. So, even though I came out victorious in this one, there was a big learning lesson in this one. And for me, it is be open-minded to advice when somebody's trying to give it to you. And even though, you know, we have fun with these challenges and obviously, you know, I want to win, looked at him and said, hey, you know, what are you seeing? What are you thinking? It worked out in my favor today. But that's the tip I got for you guys. Stay open-minded because, you know, we can always learn something from somebody else who, well, when we got somebody like him, he's been doing it for quite some time.
If you take a piece of advice, if you're willing to accept it, and then it's up to you to get on the approach and apply it. If you do all of those things and it works out in your favor, I will be the first one to stand up and congratulate you. Nice.
So thank you.
Nice bowl.
Well, now it's 1-1 in the arrow challenge, and we'll have to do this again because it is 1-1. But I did come out victorious this time, and I did come off the first arrow, and I did hit the arrow all 6 times. And, well,
The proof was up there.
the proof was up there. So that's going to wrap this one up. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.